In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import test cases into Jira Zephyr. This can seem daunting if you're new to Jira or Zephyr, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each step to make it as straightforward as possible. To begin, the first thing you need to do is log into your Jira account. Once you're logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard where you can see various projects and tasks. Now you want to navigate to the specific project where you wish to import your test cases. To do this, head over to the left panel of your Jira dashboard and click on either Spaces or Project. When you find the correct section, click on it to proceed. With your project page open, you should locate and click on the Zephyr option. Zephyr is the specific plugin in Jira that facilitates test management, and clicking it will take you to the Test Case Management extension. Here, look for the More button, typically found in your project navigation bar. Clicking this will reveal additional options available for managing your tests. Now you should see an option labeled Import from File. This is where the magic happens. By selecting Import from File, you'll be prompted to choose the file type you wish to import. In this particular scenario, we'll go with the Excel CSV format. This choice is ideal if your test cases are structured in a spreadsheet and you want a smooth transition into Jira. Once you've chosen the Excel CSV option, you have two ways to input your file. You can either drag your file directly into the designated area or click to browse your files and select the one you want manually. Do note that you can also adjust settings here as needed, but the default configurations generally work fine for most situations. After selecting your file, it's time to move on to the next step, called field mapping. This is important as you'll want to ensure that each column in your spreadsheet correctly corresponds to the fields in Zephyr. For instance, you might have columns labeled Test Summary, Test Steps, and Expected Results, which you'll map to the appropriate fields in Zephyr. Then click Next to proceed. At this stage, take a moment to review the components, priorities, and labels associated with your test cases. Make sure everything looks right, as these elements determine how your tests will be organized and prioritized within Jira. Finally, once you're satisfied with your selections and mapping, click on Import. This action brings your test cases into the project in Jira. Soon after, a confirmation should appear, signifying the successful import of your test cases. With the import process completed, finish by clicking Close. There you have it. Your test cases are now imported into the Jira Zephyr environment, ready to be executed and monitored. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide made it easy for you to handle your test case imports. Happy testing!